7 strong relationship tips about marriage. 1. Communication. Communication is key in any relationship, but especially in marriage. Make sure you always communicate your thoughts, feelings, and needs to your partner. 2. Trust. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Build trust by being honest, respectful, and reliable. 3. Empathy. Being empathetic means putting yourself in your partner's shoes and truly understanding their perspective. This can help you resolve conflicts and strengthen your bond. 4. Compromise. No two people are the same, so it's important to compromise to find common ground. Be willing to listen and compromise on different issues. 5. Quality time. Spend quality time with your partner regularly, whether it's going on date nights, taking vacations, or just sitting down together and talking. 6. Patience. Marriage is a long-term commitment that requires patience and understanding. Be patient with your partner and remember that you're building a life together. 7. Forgiveness. No one is perfect and mistakes will be made. Learn to forgive your partner and work through any issues together, rather than holding grudges or letting resentment build up.